Pepe Coin is crashing. Should you sell all of your Pepe Coin? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Pepe Coin and what's going on with the price. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below, and also if you haven't already, come over and join our Discord. Like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the projects we cover on this channel. Crypto market is starting to get a little bit bloody. We're down about 0.09%. In terms of the fear and greed index, guys, we're slowly creeping back into fear, currently at a 58. Earlier this week we're sitting close to 64. So yes, we are going kind of in the backwards direction. Bitcoin is in an interesting position, very volatile, dancing from $67,000 to $69,000. Ethereum down to $3,500. What's going on? But today we're talking about Pepe, which is currently trending 4 on CoinMarketCap, down about 0.4% on the day, but down 16% on the week. Pepe is crashing a bit, taking a bit of a nosedive. Is this a time to sell all your Pepe, or should you load up? As you can see, it had some lower lows earlier, and now it's continuing to pump. Is this a time to buy or sell? Let's talk about it. Before we talk about it, look at this. A hot meme coin gem could explode soon. Play Doge. Guys, we've been talking about Play Doge on the channel for a while now, and it looks like it's starting to get some recognition. This one could run like Pepe, like Doge. What is Play Doge? Well, Play Doge is a play to earn game that's currently on pre-sale. You heard that right. It's a pre-sale gem. In the past 2 weeks, they've already raised $4.1 million in pre-sale, and we're anticipating this one to go crazy in pre-sale. And about 1 day and 8 hours, they're gonna have their first massive price hike. So you might want to load up now to get in at the ultra low prices. Play Doge is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens in the pre-sale to earn crypto while you're playing a nostalgic 2D game adventure. Not only is a play to earn game, guys, but also staking, with currently paying out a 2.17% AP as dynamic range staking. I mean, the staking ranges change, and I saw upwards of 800% earlier this week. You buy with ETH, USDT, card. It has a solid roadmap in place. Great tokenomics as well. Everything about this project is looking solid. If you want to load up a bag, link in description below. But now back to what the heck is going on with Pepe. Is Pepe going to recover, for repair, or continue to dump? But I have a famous saying, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. When we zoom out, we see Pepe is up 50% on the month, right? So there's a lot of gains it's made over the year, right? We're literally in all-time high territories, so it's anticipate to pull back, right? We might be somewhere over here, potentially even over here, but I would say somewhere over here, where I think it might go a little bit lower before it pops off. Now, I'm not necessarily telling you sell all your Pepe, by no means necessary. If anything, you might want to start loading up slowly, dollar cost averaging in, as it could continue to go up in the upward direction. However, there's a possibility it might nosedive a little bit more before it pops off. It's really interesting. The reason why I started off the video talking about Bitcoin is based on how Bitcoin will perform. It will kind of determine how all of our other markets are going. Yes, people are hoping to see a six-figure Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin, but right now Bitcoin's at some interesting level. Lots of volatility here, especially in the $70,000 range. It's been dancing. We look at the 1 week, guys, we peaked about at around 71, and then we crashed all the way down to about 66 with a strong resistance point causing it to bounce. Same thing here. We're in the 67 zone. I'd imagine by tomorrow morning it might bounce back to $70,000, but again, none of this is obviously financial advice, and we're not really talking about Bitcoin here, but Bitcoin will kind of predict how Pepe is going to play out. In terms of technicals, we can see oscillators are neutral, moving averages are also in neutral, and the summary is in neutral. When we go to the 1 week, guys, we see moving averages are in a strong buy, right? Summary is giving us a buy as well, and we go in the month, we're seeing oscillators are in sell. However, moving averages are buy, giving us an overall summary of neutral. People are still bullish on it. Will Pepe Coin recover in June 2024? We're anticipating to see that recovery, right? Explore Pepe Coin recovery in June 2024. Analyze market trends, technical indicators, and whale activity for potential rebound, as we are seeing a rebound coming in play for Pepe Coin. So many exciting things going on right now in the crypto world, guys, and so many things we are watching to see what's going to pop. So if you want to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news, smash the subscribe button down below. Also, are you gonna buy a bag of Play Doge? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, you bullish or bearish project? I think this play to earn project has some crazy upside potential, so if you load up, let me know in the comment section below. That wraps up the video, guys. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.